Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, may peace be upon us all. Distinguished keynote speaker, honorable researchers, respected educator, esteemed colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It is a honor for me to deliver this interaction at the uh, 11th Propanedu International Seminar, a prestigious academic forum that bring together researchers and educator and practitioner from around the world to the share insight, the strength, collaboration, and contribute to the advance of education innovation. And this annual seminar continues to serve as a valuable platform for the exchanging the idea and promoting the research that address contemporary the challenge in education at both national, global, and level. My name is Dr. Samir Masa, SPD MPD, and representing Universitas Muhammadiyah Sinar Harapan Sulawesi, Indonesia. In this seminar, I will be presenting my research title, Deep Learning Approach to Meaningful English Language Learning in the Digital Era, a case study of senior high school student. Okay, this research focus on how the learning model and digital interaction strategy transfer English learning into the more interactive, personalized, and meaningful experience for the student. Practically, at the senior high school level in the today in digital era, learning and learning to not only the traditional classroom environment, but also the talk only platform, intelligent application, and multimedia support communication. Though this study, I'm to demonstration how to the learning promote can exchange student motivation and comprehension and language performance by connecting the real world communication with the adapting the technology and basic learning. And then in this approach, highlight the importance of the interrogation, appracial intelligence, and interactive the feedback system, and the learning concept pedagogy to support English learning outcome that are relevant to 21st century competence. Finally, this I would like to express the gratitude to the organization committee, keynote speaker, and all participants for creating this collaborate academic improvement. I hope that this season along me to already in this seminar will be inspired to new perspectives and advance research collaboration and contribute to continuous improvement of global education. Okay, first, we move to the first slide. Yeah, we can see here about the digital transformation of education. First, we can see here all destructive force here. AI means in the research education from teacher centered to adaptive and learning centered models. And the second here, you can see ELT redefine like AI to the like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and pieces and worldwide personalized and enhanced English language teaching. And the next here we can see Indonesia contest. Yeah, the digitalization effort in Indonesia aim for the equitable and meaning learning, especially in rural areas. Okay, the next here we can see here the deep learning by deep learning here by network like meaningful understanding uh, understanding the connecting new knowledge with the broad, express, and applying critical reasoning. And the next, we can see here like maybe the poster height, uh, uh, higher and order thinking, like enhancing autonomy and authentic communication skill in English education. Okay, the next here, integration AI can make English relevant to student real life context in the Indonesia. Okay, the next here we can see AI pedagogik like global study highlight AI potential. Like you can see here like the uh, uh, personalized feedback and interactive simulation. Okay, and also that they bring the linguistic gap talk automatic scaffolding, and also the real-time pronunciation and analysis. And here you can see, however, the success depend on the teacher competence and student readiness. Okay, the next, we can see here meaning learning with the AI. Like you can see here, the meaning learning here, meaningful learning with AI, personalization, like AI system, tailor context, pace, and the difficulty base of learning the data. And then engagement here we can see the interactive platform like Quizzes and WordWall use gamification to boost and motivation. And then next the reflection, the student critically evaluate AI feedback and replacing word and deepening understanding. Okay, the next we can see here the next teaching adaptive strategy. We can see uh, the contextual adaptation and lightning AI test with the local reality, making English relevant. And then the project-based learning, the student use AI tool, the collaborative to play for the creative output. And the next, reflective the feedback. We can see the like the teacher and the student course analysis AI suggestion the discussion improvement. Okay, the next the student responses the right here uh, inhibition the factor like you can see uh, here the student show increasing the motivation and confidence with the AI like the perceive the AI based learning as moral agreeable and less intimidating, and also the higher interaction level and uh, curiosity. And the next improve the critical thinking, creativity, and also the communication skill. Okay, the next about the super inhibiting the factor. Right? You can see here like the supporting factor and also the international policies and educate and in infrastructure and the teacher training and also the positive attitudes. In habiting in the factor like you can see like limited internet, inequal the past and ownership, low digital literacy, and resistant to change. And okay, my conclusion also that here we can see like the human-centered AI, the and all enhance the lead in transparent English education, talk uh, regulatory, contextual, and the student centered pedagogic. You can intentional design teacher connect AI to connective deep and reflective inquiry. Collaboration, mediation, human AI interaction, faster social learning, and self-regulation, culture contextual AI implementation, hike with the local related and evaluate. Okay, the next, uh, I will, I will give the summary my calculation that the deep learning a process supported by artificial intelligence AI have significant transformation the English language education AI, also the shift learning from the tradition the teacher center instruction to the adaptive also the student centered improvement that promote personalized and meaningful learning experience. The platform such as ChatGPT, Canva, AI, quizzes, and also the forward students receive individualized the feedback and hand the interactive learning and develop autonomy, creativity, and authentic communication skill. In the Indonesia context, especially in rural region, AI interaction offer opportunity to bring learning gap and enhance relevance with the aligning with the local realities. However, the successful implementation requires strong teacher competence. Institutional support the adequate in infrastructure like challenge the persist and including limited in uh, internet access and increment the price of ownership law, digital literacy, and retention to change. Ultimate the AI driven lean must be in human center when the teacher technology support not replace teacher effectively implementation realize the international pedagogic design collaboration international between student teacher and AI the culture contextualization to ensure meaning and learning outcome and also that there is the essential insight AI has deep reflective context English learning but success depend on pedagogy teacher read nice and collaborate access. I think this for my explanation and my explanation about my article and my PowerPoint. Thanks for all participants also that to see. I do hope for maybe for the next time we will be sharing about our article again. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.